This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
So a few other ones that we have, this is very common in fights, or someone starts a fight, because a lot of people start it by grabbing you or pushing you, is this. Now, okay, we'll slowly go over what he's just trying to start to do. I'm grabbing him here, he's spinning into me. Okay, what he's doing, very slowly, come around again. He's taking his arms and he's driving them hard, very hard into this side of my elbow here, where it folds. Okay, that's the hit, that's the angle. That's the hit and angle again, the hit, angle, and off balance. Over and over and over again. If you learn anything, it's hit, angle, and off balance.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
Boom! I do this, he does it hard, and of course, when it's for real, he's gonna drop, or he's gonna jump up and drop, one of the two.
He's gonna do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, shirt's ruined. Yeah, there's no fighting that. Now, the guy can be, we've got guys 250 that he's 130. Drops them like that because they can't take that. They can't, I don't care if they're 500 pounds and the world-class sumo wrestler. Their arm can't take his 130 on it, especially when he folds it in hard like this.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.